everyone, I am Abhiraj and I am today here for a yoga speech. So let's start. Yoga is a beautiful physical and mental practice which is adopted by India. The practice of yoga is giving world a new way of our life, and also we are fighting between human and COVID-19. It is very useful to maintain our health. It is a beautiful exercise practice. No heavy and expensive machines or tools are needed in this. In India, to make culture and tradition yoga alive, we celebrate International Yoga Day on 21st June every year. It is also help in to claim our mind. Yoga is also self-healing practice. Yoga is only a way to defeat any disease without medicines or treatment. It also spread our mind power. So stay home, stay safe, regularly do exercise and maintain your health, and happy International Yoga Day.
Good morning all. Today my speech topic is, was India ready for the second wave of coronavirus infection in India? Having successfully managed the first wave of COVID-19 infection, India is well prepared for the second wave. The Financial Ministry's report said, the report further said that high frequency data indicates that India is on the path to become better and stronger. After battling a historical pandemic in FY 2020 and 2021, instrumental is the relevant comeback will a strong reveal in investment growth and supported by Atmanirbhar Bharat mission and a massive boost to infrastructure and capital expenditure provided for in the Union Budget 2021 and 2022. The report said the rise in daily new cases since mid-February of the onset of second wave of COVID-19 infection in India. The report said, adding the country has however been able to declare the onset of COVID-19 infection. The gap between the first peak to the start of second wave has been 151 days in India, while it is lower in other countries. At this juncture, the onset of the second wave is so this shows that India is well prepared for the second wave. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shia. I am from class 6 Edison from RPS school. Today I will give a speech on COVID-19 second wave. A look at the pandemic situation in other nations suggests that the second wave of coronavirus is usually more severe than the first. Take US for example. The country witnessed its COVID peak as early as April last year. The second peak around July was more severe, with the country reporting 3 times as many cases as the previous peak. The third peak in January this year was even worse, with the US touching almost 3 lakh cases in a single day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Mayank Bansal from 6th Grammar. I will speak about Hindi topic. ऑनलाइन शिक्षा एक नई पद्धति है. Let's start my topic. आज शिक्षा प्राप्त करने का इतना आसान तरीका है कि हम घर बैठे शिक्षा प्राप्त कर सकते हैं शिक्षक से. इसमें हमें कहीं भी बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. इस शिक्षा को हम ऑनलाइन शिक्षा कहते हैं. इसके 2 महत्वपूर्ण कड़ी है जिसका नाम है इंटरनेट और इंटरनेट डिवाइस. कहते हैं ना, आवश्यकता ही आविष्कार की जन्म है. बच्चे इससे तकनीकी तौर पर निपुण हो रहे हैं. कोरोना महामारी के कारण दुनिया जब थम सी गई, तब कुछ ही समय में ऑनलाइन शिक्षा का प्रबंध हम सबके सामने किया गया. थैंक यू.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shakshi Yadav and I am from class 6 Graham Bell. Today I am going to give a speech on Google is the death of library. At most libraries, the hand-typed card catalogs thumbed by generations of patrons have been supplanted by electronic indexes accessed via PCs locally or over the web. Now that Google has agreed to scan millions of books from 5 major libraries and to make their content searchable on the web, a project that experts say is likely to yield spin-off technologies that drastically lower the cost of distribution and catalyze similar effect worldwide. Can the disappearance of libraries themselves be far behind? Most librarians say no, as our story The Infinite Library reports. Whatever the form in which book is content is stored, librarians believe people will still come to libraries for expert help finding information, for public access to the internet, or for some comfortable atmosphere. Libraries provide for reading and reflection, and there will always be a need, professionals point out, our places that preserve traditional paper books. All of that may be true, but there is still room to wonder how libraries will trump the expediency of being able to download a whole book over the web at little or no cost instead of spelling to the library. Print-on-demand services are spreading fast, and electronic reading devices will continue to improve until they rival and resolution the usability of regular books. At the point, the only burning reason for a physical trip to the library will be to see a copy of a needed book that has not yet been digitized or has been digitized but it is not downloadable due to copyright restrictions. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning. My name is Urvashi. I am coming from 7th P class. I am here to a speech on yoga is a way of life. Yoga is said to be from Hinduism long back and is being practiced worldwide today. People have learned about the merits of yoga and have accepted it in the form of exercise and meditation. Basically, yoga is not only a form of exercise, but it is an ancient wisdom for healthier, happier and peaceful way of living. It helps in finding inner peace and leads to union with self. People generally think that yoga is a form of exercise that includes stretching and folding of body parts. But yoga is much more than just exercises. Yoga is a way of life or art of living through mental, spiritual and physical path. It allows to achieve stillness and tap into the consciousness of inner self. Thank you and have a nice day.